So taste for seasoning. And then now it's time to add your broccoli florets. Looks like. And it's creamy. Just how I like it. Because Hi guys, I'm back with another recipe, and today I'm making beef with broccoli. Our ingredients are as follows. We have some sliced onions. I also have beef. In this case, I have sliced ribeye steak. I also have my broccoli florets, peanut butter, water. Back there I have my pepper, olive oil, sesame oil, sugar, oyster sauce, and beef paste. Okay? So let's get cooking. Okay, so our first step is to marinate our beef with about a teaspoon of sugar, a little pepper, and some oyster sauce. I would say about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. And then we'll just mix them well and leave it to marinate about 30 minutes. Next thing is we're gonna add a few drops of our olive oil and sesame oil into our pan. And then we can add in our onions. We'll just continue cooking our onions for a few minutes, around 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll add our other ingredients. Okay, so now that our onions are cooked, we can add in our marinated beef. Mix it well. And remember guys, this cut of meat doesn't take a long time to cook since it's cut thinly or bulgogi style. So just cook it. Now I can add a teaspoon of beef paste just to intensify the beef flavor. So this is just a teaspoon. And we'll mix them well again. Okay, so the beef is cooked and the beef paste is incorporated already. I'm just gonna add half a cup of water. Mix well again, and I'm just gonna add more pepper. And then I have a twist for my beef with broccoli. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. 1, 2, and 3. This will make your beef with broccoli yummy and creamy. Just lower down your heat. And then we'll just incorporate the peanut butter into our dish. So taste for seasoning, and then now it's time to add your broccoli florets. Whoop. Mix a little. Remember, the heat is still on low. And then I'll just like to cover the dish and wait for about 5 to 6 minutes. Be back. Okay guys, so after 5 minutes, this is how the dish looks like. And it's creamy, just how I like it, because of the peanut butter. I'm not gonna overcook the broccoli because I like it crunchy. So there you go. This is my version of beef with broccoli. I hope you give this a try and please let me know what you think. Thank you.